Hello guys, and welcome back to another crazy video. Okay, I'm not gonna do that anymore. Oh, that was very cringe. I'm gonna buy some knobs. I stocked up on Robux, so I want the thingies bundle and this. Alright. Oh, is there an item skin? Alright. Look, I know I should be grateful I have all these skins, but look at my vitamins. It's vitamins. Okay. I think I'm gonna... Alright. I think I'm gonna do Kringle too. Restive Chroma. Kringle. Okay. I have decided I will do a knobs giveaway. The prize is 600. I'll do this, and I'll give it away. So yeah. If you want some knobs, comment your username in the description. Alright, so we're gonna... keep this video short. I just wanted to get this one out there. So if you want to win the knobs thing, say you're subscribed, and I will give you a free 1,300 knobs. So yes, please do it. Alright, bye.